Ano tayong blind item, guys? So, ito nga, no? Yung blind item natin, merong isang actress na naka one night stand niya raw yung isa niyang co-actor. Okay? So, after niya maka one night stand yung isa niyang co-actor, tapos ang nangyari daw, guys, nalaman daw nung asawa nung co-actor. Grabe. Eh sakto pa mo meron silang bata, baby pa lang, parang ewan ko kung 1 year old or less than 1 year old yung bata. Tapos nung nalaman nga daw, hanggang sa naghiwalay na yung yung mag-asawa. Grabe. Homewrecker pala to is si actress. Tapos ang nakakapagtaka dito kay co-actor, after niyang makipaghiwalay dun sa wife niya, hindi niya naman sineryoso to si actress. Hindi na sila nagkabalikan. Parang pang one night stand lang niya talaga si actress. So sino nga tong si actress at saka si actor? Unfortunately, ayoko magbigay ng clue kasi medyo sensitive to. Kaliwaan to eh. So bahala na kayo guys kung mahulaan nyo kung sino tong si actor, co-actor at saka si actress. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!